here is the after. This also provides an excellent opportunity to review what comes in the custom landscaping service. In short, everything in your yard. This project, we have completed the last steps of the cleanup. Cleaned out the gutters, pressure washed the fascia and the facade of the property, as well as the sidewalks and the driveway. Custom landscaping, irrigation, lighting. Full service, design, install. Here on the far left you have canna lilies, arbicola, begonia, white flowers, and sun roses. On the right, lauropelum, camellias, and tucked just behind the oak are gardenia shrubs. They will make white flowers similar to the camellia, which are blooming right now. Camellia is my favorite flowering shrub. On the far right we have yellow canna lilies. This bed was designed so that you could appreciate it from the different perspectives, whether you were walking in front of the property or on the driveway or on either sidewalk, the house side or the street side. Our custom landscaping service also includes cleaning the driveway, getting rid of the old dirt and grime from the previous year. We also installed landscaping here and changed the border, flax grasses, azalea shrubs. These are red azaleas. And then there are some gardenias, which are the dark green waxy leaf shrubs. And then you see two camellias and some blue days. The oak tree has just done this thing right here. We don't need that right here. We got that. Let's try that one more time. Windstorms blowing through here, so we're getting some activity. Thank you for checking out this video. Subscribe and share, like for more of our projects. We love landscaping and we love Northeast Florida, and we would love to hear what you think about this project. Comment, share. Until the next time.